In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports on Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to streamline your reporting process, this step-by-step guide will help you master the basics and set up effective reports for your team. To get started, head over to Monday.com and log in. You'll find the login option in the upper right corner of the homepage. If you've got a Google account, you can choose to sign in with Google. Just click on the Sign in with Google button and select the email address you want to use. If you prefer, you're also welcome to type in your email address manually. Once you're in, navigate to the board you want to work with. Don't worry if it's your first time, it's all pretty intuitive once you're inside. Look for the blue plus sign button on the left side of your screen. That's your gateway to adding new elements. Click on it and choose Dashboard from the drop down menu. You'll want to select Dashboard to begin setting up your reporting framework. Now, let's give that new dashboard a name. You can rename it by clicking on the text box and typing in its new name. This step is especially useful for keeping everything organized as you create more dashboards. Next, click on Create Dashboard. This will officially add it to your workspace. With your dashboard ready, it's time to choose the board from which you'll be pulling the report data. Click Done once you've made your selection. Customizing your dashboard is where things get exciting. Click on Add Widget to start incorporating different data visualization tools. Opt for creating a chart widget if you're interested in presenting data visually. This is crucial for highlighting trends and patterns that are not immediately obvious from raw data alone. For even more customization, click on Add Widget again, and if you ever feel limited by the choices, click on More Widgets to explore additional options. Remember, the arrangement that suits your needs best comes down to personalization and experimentation. You can also adjust the size of your widgets. This flexibility allows you to tailor the visual experience to your liking or accommodate specific data needs. On the upper right corner of your screen, you'll notice the 3 dotted line. Click on this and then access Present Mode, perfect for directing attention to key metrics during team meetings. And just like that, you can now use your screen for reporting. These reports can become a powerful tool for your meetings, providing your team with a comprehensive view of ongoing and future projects. Follow these steps and you'll have an efficient reporting system up and running in no time. Thanks for watching and see you next time.